Let's make a seeni sambol for today's recipe. You can use the spicy onion relish on breads and buns or even crackers. To make the seeni sambol, you will need the following ingredients. 5 tablespoons of oil, but keep 1/4 cup more if you need. A sprig of curry leaves, a 2-inch pandan leaf, 5 cardamom pods, 1-inch piece cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. You can increase by adding half to 1 tablespoon, which will make it extremely spicy. 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt to season, 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Using tamarind paste, 1 teaspoon should do. 1 to 2 kilograms of large onion sliced fine. Now that you have all the ingredients, let me show you how to make the seeni sambol. Place a large frying pan or cooking pan over low heat. The pan should be big enough to hold all the sliced onion. Keep the heat low and pour in the oil. Keep extra oil, maybe 1/4 cup, in case you need to add oil as you cook the seeni sambol. Add curry leaves and pandan to the oil. Leave it to sizzle. Add cardamom and cinnamon. Add the red chilli powder. Cook for a few minutes over low-medium heat. At this point, you can add more oil to cook the onions if necessary, which I have done. And then add the sliced onions. Gently cook down the onions for 5 minutes over low-medium heat. Once the onion turned really soft, which should take you about 10 minutes, add tamarind juice. Add sugar. Stir and season with salt. From this point onwards, you'll be just cooking down the onions over low-medium heat until it reaches its correct consistency. Continue to cook down the onions for another 7 to 10 minutes or until the cooking onions are reduced in half. Taste and season with salt. Now that you have your seeni sambol made, let it cool and then store in a dry jar. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. You can contact me through commenting here or my blog islandsmile.org. I'll leave a link down on the description. I'll see you again soon with another great recipe.